Investing, a common sense guide for beginners to invest in the stock market successfully. Written by Armani Murphy. Narrated by Rick Stevens. Introduction. Personal notes from the author. Investing can seem overwhelming. There is just so much information out there, and a lot of it is biased or conflicting. I know how intimidating it can feel. I've been there. For years, I put off investing because it seemed like too much. It seemed too hard, and I didn't think it was important. Then I hit my mid-20s, and I realized that I needed to make a commitment to my future. And that's why I wrote this book. I understand that investing can be full of jargon and investing styles, which can make it hard to know where to start. In this audiobook, I break down investing to simple terms, clear steps, and information on exactly what you should be looking for. We'll be looking at what the 4 investment categories are and which ones are the most lucrative, 5 types of assets you'll encounter on your investment journey, how to invest in shareholder-friendly funds, and how to properly identify them, 10 steps to building a complete stock trading portfolio, including debt management and home ownership. If you're ready to have things simplified into actionable steps that you can take today, then keep on listening. Once you're finished with this book, you'll have a great financial foundation to start your investment journey, and you'll understand the jargons too. So without further ado, let's get started. Chapter 1. Everything you need to know about investments. When you are just starting out, investing can seem like a labyrinth. It's hard to know where to start, what to consider, and how to be successful. That's where we come in. In this chapter, we're going to look at investing in stocks and break it down to the very basics. If you don't understand the basics, then there is absolutely no point in moving on to the more advanced topics. If you don't understand the basics, then anything you invest in is glorified gambling. Investments are simple, but they do require a good, solid foundation and understanding of the basic principles. In this chapter, we're going to look at the following. 1. The 4 ways to invest your money. 2. 5 assets that you can own when you invest. 3. How to research before starting investments. 4. 3 financial statements you need to be aware of. 4 ways to invest your money. When you are just starting out, stocks can seem like a one-size-fits-all approach. However, it is so much more complex than that and requires an understanding of the 4 principal ways to invest. 1. 401k plan. 2. IRA accounts. 3. Brokerage accounts. 4. DRIP plan. 401k plan. Investing through a 401k or a 403b if you work in a nonprofit organization can be a powerful investment strategy. It is not typically considered an investment strategy by beginners, but don't overlook the potential of this type of investment. IRA accounts. There are many different investment options when it comes to IRA accounts. You can choose to invest in a SEP IRA, a simple IRA, a Roth IRA, or a traditional IRA. IRA investment accounts are a good way to look at long-term investing. Brokerage accounts. You have probably already heard of brokerage accounts. Brokerage accounts look at working with a qualified professional who works with a portfolio and a range of clients to create the best possible outcomes. You can opt for various levels of risk and time frames within this structure. DRIP accounts. You can look at either a direct stock purchase plan, which essentially means that you manage your own stock purchases, or you can work in a dividend reinvestment plan, where any money that you earn when trading is automatically reinvested. 5 types of assets you can own when investing. When you first start investing, you need to be aware of the types of assets that you can own during this process. This might be indirect, or you might be indirect ownership. Either way, being aware of the type of assets that are used for investing purposes can help you manage your
Sample complete. Ready to continue?